Hi, I'm Kep Kepner CPA here in Dallas. We have an annual sales goal for our CPA firm. Do you have that? Unfortunately, many people set a sales goal and then they only analyze it at the end of the year when they find out how they performed, whether the sales met that goal or not. Well, that's a very poor way to use the goals that you have. The world doesn't start on January 1 and end on December 31st. You may think that way if you're late filing your taxes. You may think that way if that's the way you measure how you did. Oh, I did better than last year. But that's not a very effective way to manage your business using goals. If it's a simple sales goal, it needs to be something that you look at every month and manage your business. As you can imagine, a CPA firm is a cyclical business. We have a much higher amount of work in the spring when we have tax season and in October when we have the extension season. So in our business, it's up and down throughout the year. So as a practical matter, we have dissected our sales goal into monthly quotas, and we look at that as a whole. I actually work very hard to make sure my staff is able to meet the objective every month. I want to pay them a bonus. And imagine that. When we get down to the end of the year, the odds are we're going to meet our annual quota because we dissected it monthly. So it's really important when you're using a goal or a target for your company to put it into a manageable form so that you can look at it as you go along. I can guarantee you if you have an annual budget and you look at it only in December at the end of the year, you're going to be 20% down from what you would be if you looked at that budget or that target every month. Because typically you can't make up for something you didn't sell or work that you didn't do early in the year. So we look at January each year, we have a target, we look at our work, we do the things necessary to meet that target, and then we're ready to go to February. If we didn't look at that and we were a little bit off in January, I can assure you at the end of the year we would be off for the whole year. So good target management is part of setting goals for your company. If you need help with that, including the analysis to help you set valid goals, we're the people to talk to. Give us a call.